Dreamy Time. Bedtime stories for the kids. Under an enchanted willow tree, its glowing leaves softly illuminating the forest floor, lived Lila the ladybug and Sam the squirrel. Tonight, under the silvery gaze of the full moon, they were busy with a very special task. Tiny paw in tiny hand, they carefully placed star-shaped cookies onto a moss-covered plate. The cookies, baked with moon dust and sweet berries, shimmered faintly in the night air. As they worked, Lila hummed a gentle lullaby, her delicate voice blending with the rustling leaves. Sam joined in, his cheerful chirps adding a playful melody to the night. Their lullaby drifted through the quiet forest, reaching the ears of sleepy fireflies and slumbering owls, promising them a night full of sweet dreams. With the last cookie placed and the final notes of their song fading into the night, Lila and Sam snuggled close under the willow's gentle branches, their hearts full of warmth and the quiet joy of friendship, ready for their own magical dreams to begin. Thank you for watching our channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Dreamy Time.